Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a hidden gem in St. Andrew that is only 45 minutes from Papine Square. This exquisite property is a well-maintained, fruited lot spanning approximately 54.5 acres with a traditional split-level Victorian-style 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom dwelling home. Two bedrooms are located on the upper floor, along with a charming checkered black and white style kitchen with living and dining areas and two bedrooms on the ground floor. All the internal walls are lined with cedar, maintaining a cool temperature inside. Additionally, there is a separate building to the back, entailing 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, bathroom, and two storage rooms. This property stands as a historic site, built in 1937, with two freshwater springs, one running in a large reservoir connecting irrigation lines throughout the hillsides, supplying the coffee trees and other feeds to the residents. Additionally, there is a fall river that flows through the property and branches to tributaries, bringing constant supply of fresh water, which is a real asset. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 3,950,000 or Jamaican $607.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.